So here we have Shokz Openmove headset, and this is what you get in the package. This is the box. Wireless bone conduction headphones. It's saying 2-year warranty. Okay, so I already removed what's inside the box. Okay, so we have some user guides. Which you probably won't read. We have obviously the headset, which looks like this. We have this bag, which can be useful in order to keep your headset when you're not using it, and it seems to be quite practical. You also get a warranty card like this, which has a code on the back, which I'm not going to show. And also you won't get any charger except this USB-A to USB-C charging cable, which is branded Shokz, as you can see here. I'm not sure how useful this is. Usually people have these days a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, but you can use that as well if you have one maybe from your phone. Alright, so this is what you get in the box. If for some reason you bought it without the box, this is what you might have missed. Alright, so I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.